Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about what does Venus in the 8th house mean all about. Venus in the 8th house talks about, generally 8th house talks about marital life and also longevity. And 8th house talks about bank loans. 8th house talks about inherited property. Property from your grandfathers or from grandmother or something can be seen from the 8th house. And 8th house also talks about efforts. Okay, and 8th house also talks about from the government, the services that you get from the government, or else the policies, or any support from the government can be seen from the 8th house. All right, and 8th house talks about your in-laws. That means the parents of your spouse. Okay, relationship with your in-laws also can be seen from the 8th house. All right, so let's talk about the strong Venus as well as weak Venus. If at all strong Venus is placed in the 8th house, and this person will be getting the very good financial gains from support from the in-laws, that is from the wife's parents, and also he will be getting the inherited property. He will be getting the property from his grandfather or grandmother, and also he will be getting very good wealth from the cattle, and he will be employing the cattle as well as he will be having some kind of business related to liquids. And if he does any business related to liquids, or maybe anything like cool drinks, or it can be from the restaurant, this person will be making very good money, because 8th house talks about sudden ups and downs. And you might have seen a lot of people who were really a pauper, and but after some point of time he would have become a millionaire or billionaire. That happens if at all 8th house is super strong in their birth chart, because eighth house stronger in the sense this person will be rose from rags to riches. Okay, he will be getting that overnight success. We might have seen a lot of people, a lot of celebrities keeps getting that overnight fame and all that. That happens if at all 8th house is stronger. And let's talk about the weak Venus. If at all Venus is weaker in the 8th house, obviously it will affect your marital life, and there won't be much support from your spouse if at all you wanna go forward with your goals. And also Venus represents wife, so the wife side parents also will not be that much supportive for this person, and he has to face a lot of obstacles in the journey in his marital life. His in-laws also will be interfering into these people's matters, and that becomes a lot of friction between the male and female, obviously the husband and wife. And but one benefit thing which happens even the Venus is weaker, that Venus aspect on the second house is really good for the financial matters, because second house talks about finances, and the aspect from Venus from 8th house to second house is really good, and second house talks about finances, and for Venus is the karaka for finances, he will be giving very good support in terms of and for finances will not be having much trouble. All right, that happens if at all Venus is weaker and Venus is stronger in the birth chart. Obviously, when the planet is stronger, you will be getting the positive results, even though it is 8th house. 8th house talks about little bit of, it's called as Upachaya house. 8th house is considered as Upachaya house. And the benefic planet like Venus placed in the 8th house, if it is stronger, he will be giving the positive results. If it is weaker, obviously he has to destroy that positivity and have to give the bad results. Alright. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. And let me know in the comment section what are the videos that you want me to make, because these are the questions I'm receiving from some of my audience who generally follow my videos, but I want to know what exactly that you want to listen from my YouTube channel. So I'll make a video on that topic. All right. So thank you so much, and stay tuned for more videos, and bye for now.